ready ako. Ito na ko, ma.
Careful ha, gabi na.
Kamusta, ma'am? Ang tingin mo ni Dad like this yung nakawa ha?
Careful, love you.
Morning with a smile on my face, sunlight pouring in feels like a warm embrace. Got my family's close, my friends are near. This perfect life, there's nothing out here. Wala na ipakita pa, sila lang yun kumpleto na. Oh, this is life. Oh, this is life.
Hello, is this the son of Mr. and Mrs. Gustavo?
Hello? Yes, anak nila, pero it's a me.
This is Hospitalista Hospital, sir. Mr. and Mrs. Gustavo are currently in the OR because of an accident.
No! No! Mom! Dad! No!
After the boy's parents passed away, a distant aunt from his mother's side decided to bring him to home. Since then, he started to smoke, go to parties, and even do drugs to escape from his parents. With no thoughts in mind, he wandered around the town and was staring into nothing. He found himself in a park and sat down on a bench. And after a while, he started to feel a presence of someone going near him and sat down beside him.
Excuse me. Pwede mo tapan dito? Ikaw ba? Gwapo na kayo ba? Sige lang kagmukot. Excuse me. Wala ka ba sa story? May paghawa ka na rin.
What's the story there? You want to share? Kasi di matabangan ka. Ah, by the way, ako din si Brian. Brian Onde. And you are...
Dexter. Dexter Gustavo.
They talked for many hours, sharing sentiments to each other. And as their conversation is getting deeper, the day is also getting darker.
Wala, gitgit na git Dex, boy. Kasi ipakita na kasi niyo ba?
Ay, hala. Sorry. Nalingaw mo yung story ngayon. Thank you na yung Brian sa pagpaminaw.
Wala problema, Dex. Kasi gusto niyo mag-call next time. Ako pamintay.
Sure ka?
Oo!
Wala akong number oh.
Ah, di na lang.
They grew much closer and started hanging out more often. They did things such as exploring new things and new places while having their hard time. This opened up new horizons to Dexter as he realized that life is worth living for and there's so much to look forward to. One night, they decided to go back to the place where they first met.
Hi Brian. Lahat ka ta? Boring mag-go here. Ibigaw sa kunin mo.
Kalay. Sige, meet na ta sa park.
See you.
Ah, Dex, mag-isa ko kadali. Balik ako.
Sure, take your time. Oh, tita! Nakalaan pa lagi.
Nagkapit lang po, gikan ko work ikaw. Isip ko, ba rin?
Ay, kawan ko, friend tita si Brian.
Right?
Oh, pero naging siya kadyo tita kay... Yeah, kayo daw siya. Pero, nibalik niya tita. Pailang-ilan ako sa imo ha.
Dex, ayaw ka kain ha. Actually, you've been acting weird since last time nagigan ka sa park. And even karon.
Ha? What do you mean tita?
Dex, dili tinuod si Brian. Kinsa man ang istorya.
Uy, nasad ka na yung prank-prank sa tuwa ba? Wala na kita na. Hindi na ko bata para magtuos yung mga ingana.
Dex, dili lagi tinuod si Brian. Naman na ka problema. Hala ko dili.
Ito lagi siya. Brian! Brian!
Sir! Dili lagi tinuod si Brian. Please! Dili ka kaya makita mo ni Brian.
Ino, lagi na siya. I swear! Tita! Tita! Ganun yung ganun. Ino, lagi siya, tita.
Tinawag man si Brian.
Tuong siya darang sa hunang-una. Siya ang nagpakita sa pagkuma. Pero ano kami, puro na lang babae nga ni. Kuking sa pagpangga, sila po nagkakawala. Mapay undaron, nalaran. Puro na lang makasakit, ang ako pero may mas natin. Mapay undaron, nalaran. Daon, nalaran.
Dex! Dex! Please, Dex! Kung sa pinagdadaan yun, dahil na lang! Please!
Makaginggan, ganun rin kalit na magkawala. Ate ko magkakataon-taon, pero rin. Ganun mo tuwag mo sa mga dili magyali ka din noon. And I don't even know ano istorya ko daron. And thanks to what, bro? Ikapoy na ko, bro. Gusto na lang ako ni Putawon na
Dex! Hindi ko pagkinuod sa mga pala. Pero tinuod niya akong kikonsulti sa iyo, Dex. Kabalo ko lisod, pero please, dili niyo mo ang solusyon sa mga problema.
I don't know, bro. Ikapoy na ako. Gusto na ako yung dawag ko, bro.
Dex, naara si mong kaugalingan ng ginapangita nga kusog. And kasali ko si mo nga imo ning malampasan, Dex.
Pero, bro, hindi na ako kaya magpadayon kung wala ka.
Dex, wala mo ko si mong kilin. Naara ko dali lang. Naara ko si mong kasing-kasing. Ayaw kahalo at tuloy ngayong manang paaro. Ato ang gusto panahon nang natugon. Bisag og sulti kapermiyong tangan. Ako may wanas hiniran narap ko sa iyong tughan. Usapan tayo sa isol mga hunaon, palihog pagpamili ko. Busa padayon na. Dex, please! O padayon na lang. Matapos man ang atong istorya, magpadayon na tuguma. O padayon lang. Mo aki karaniang tanan.
No! Brian!
It took him years to finally get his life back to it. Of course, it wasn't an easy process, but he was able to do it, and he was able to turn his pain into strength, and he became an advocate for mental health.
That will be all. Thank you for inviting me here today, and thank you for listening.
Lost in thoughts, he wandered around the town, and his feet led him to a familiar park where a bench stood at the center. He sat there, feeling nostalgic as memories came rushing to his mind. Memories of someone he once loved.
Oh, this is life. Oh, this is a happy life.
It didn't take long for Dexter to realize that the time he spent with his friend was real. What then was thought was an illusion was actually the wandering soul of Brian, who had been in a comatose state that time. Two souls bound by fate, one adrift in the physical realm and the other was trapped in the labyrinth of despair. In that moment, Dexter understood that their connection defied the boundaries of life and death, an unbreakable thread woven by fate, forever bound because they were soulmates.